nothing more. Keep it there. I have a hunch that this will actually make it very popular. We should not dilute it. ठीक है, बिल्कुल भी dilute नहीं करना चाहिए. You can ask the question in the end. तो क्या वो अभी एक बार वो जब सुनने बैठ जाऊंगा ना तो वो उठा के कहीं और ले जाएगी पूरी गाड़ी को. So am I clear on this? My goal is to be able to reach out to at least 1 million people in the next 1 year. 140 मिलियन की मार्केट है, उसमें से 1 मिलियन को मिनिमम हाथ में कॉन्टेंट आ जाना चाहिए पहले साल में. 1 मिलियन which is very difficult but not that difficult, क्योंकि अगले साल वो 10 मिलियन पे चला जाएगा. If I want to do it 4 years 100 million, maybe we can, maybe we cannot, but the whole idea will spread. Somebody started this in Afghanistan, something similar. Somebody has started in Tanzania. They're doing all apps based. I feel that it's so simple. Right now what we're doing is so simple that majority understand it. And that's the only selling point. अगर आपने इसको कॉम्प्लिकेट कर दिया, लोग हाँ में हाँ जरूर मिलाएंगे और उस जैसे लोगों को भी ये लगेगा नहीं हम सही कर रहे हैं. लेकिन as a marketing person, I'm telling you, it will make it extremely difficult to sell the product. It looks nice to have a large menu from hot and spicy with 100 items. It looks very egoistic. It's very nice to have everything on the IDX website. सारा कुछ website पे डाल दो. But it takes guts to put Google.com which has nothing on it except one search. Google से ज़्यादा कौन काम करता है? Why doesn't Google put everything on the website? You do what majority wants. Majority of this country is jahil. They don't know how to write. Forget everything else. And it's very difficult to stay on this path. Because we will all want to divert. ये कर लो, क्योंकि अब्बा ये कह रहे हैं, अम्मा ये कह रहे हैं, चाचा ये कह रहे हैं, पप्पा ये कह रहे हैं, एजुकेशन वाला ये कह रहा है, हाँ बोर्ड वाला ये कह रहा है, मिनिस्टर ये कह रहा है. कहने दो उसको, सबको कहने दो. You stick to this model. जब आप 100 मिलियन को बढ़ा दें, जहालात बिल्कुल लिटरेसी रेट आपका बढ़े के 30% से बढ़ के 70% हो जाए, तब आपको लोग क्यों करेंगे? आप फॉरगेट कर दें उनको वो क्या करें. And for that I need super quality videos. What is super quality videos? With emotional involvement on it. Aftab can do great videos. And none of the videos, I don't know ये बनाएगा नहीं बनाएगा, but I wish Shahryar was here, तुम हो. लेकिन none of the videos need to be having A for Allah, A for Apple. None of them. None of the गाँव, किसी गाँव में A for Apple नहीं होता. हर गाँव में सेब होता है. फिर अगेन गाँव में हो सकता है कुछ गाँव में सेब भी नहीं होता. अगर कुछ ऐसे गाँव है जहाँ पनीर नहीं होता तो हो सकता है सेब भी नहीं होता, क्योंकि सेब पहाड़ की जगह है. तो लेकिन गेहूँ सब जगह होता है ना. सीधा हाथ सब जगह होता है, उल्टा हाथ सब जगह होता है ना. सीधा सब जगह होता है, पीछे सब जगह होता है. वोकैबुलरी बेसिक दही हर जगह होती है, दूध हर जगह होता है. तो आप वो अल्फाज इस्तेमाल करें जो रोजमर्रा के अल्फाज हैं, जो कि हर रोज वो सुनता है लेकिन उसको लिखना नहीं आता. बस मामा सबका होता है, चाचा सबका होता है, फुप्पा सबका होता है, खालिद सबको मालूम है, अहमद सबको मालूम है, मोहम्मद सबको मालूम है, अल्लाह सबको मालूम है, पहाड़ सबको मालूम है. वो लफ्ज यूज करें जो कि रोजमर्रा के अल्फाज. ऐसा कोई लफ्ज नहीं यूज करें जिसने कभी सुना नहीं हो, क्योंकि हमारा गोल क्या है, वो SMS करना सीख जाए. क्या ख्याल? सही है. बजाय इसके कि उसको कहीं A for एप्पल करो, A for एप्पल से कि A for अब्बा सबको याद आएगा ना. नहीं, एक जाहिल तुम बैठे हो ना तो उसके पीछे रोमन और उर्दू भी साथ साथ, बट अल्फाज वही इस्तेमाल करें. ये मुश्किल होगा क्योंकि सारी जिंदगी A for एप्पल देखा है. So I really need those videos which will go out and have emotional value on it. शेखी की वीडियो में इमोशन है, मेरी वीडियो में थोड़ा इमोशन है, अनवर इकबाल की वीडियो में इमोशन नहीं. सो वी कैन रिक्वेस्ट हिम कि सर हमें वर्जन 2 बनाना है जिसमें आप खिल के आए. ऐसे दिन आए जब आप बिल्कुल दुरुस्त रवाना हो, पंप अप हो, एंड उससे करो. आफ्ताब से कि आफ्ताब कैन डू अ गुड जॉब, है ना?
सर क्वेरी ये थी, हम बेसिक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ड्यूटीज पे फोकस करते हैं, लेकिन थोड़ा सा एक एज ऊपर की हम बिल्कुल अल्फ़ाबेट पढ़ा रहे हैं, जिससे मतलब वो कुछ अल्फाज की पहचान तो सीख लेंगे, फिर भी अल्फाज पे नहीं बोल जोड़िए और एक सेंटेंस तक भी अभी ना करें कुछ।
आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक चीज बेच रहे हैं, दो चीज, ब्रांड, आप अपने आप को ब्रांड कर रहे हैं और कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे। आपका गोल क्या है? आपका गोल है कि आप अपने आप को ब्रांड कर रहे हैं, कि आप जो बोल रहे हैं वो चुप करके सुन लो। सेकंड, कि आप दूसरों के ब्रांड से एडवांटेज उठा रहे हैं और उनको लेवरेज के तौर पे आप अगेन दोबारा ब्रांड कर रहे हैं। जब आप एक साल गुजार देंगे इस तरीके से, आपके पास एक रेला होगा पीछे, उस रेले को आप जो भी देंगे वो ले लेगा। अभी आप जो भी देंगे वो सवाल करेगा, आप अभी अच्छा देंगे या अभी वो जो 2% वाली बात है ना, खोलने का जो पैकेज रेट है वो 2% है, उन 2% में से वो रेट ग्रेड करके आपको 50% से 70% का लेकर आना है। जो आप बोल रहे हैं वो चुप करके पढ़ लो, then you can feed them anything you want, then we can make it into a high school, but not now. ठीक है? The pitch is, we want people to be able to YouTube so that they can use Khan Academy. Very simple. Right now they cannot use Khan Academy because they don't know how to write in Khan Academy. Right. We want them to be able to write Khan Academy. Khan Academy चलाना आ जाएगा, इंटरनेट चलाना आ जाएगा तो खुद भी सीख सकते हैं। ये एग्जाम्पल बैठी क्या सर? तो हाँ, yes sir. Any questions? Yes, Susanna, you had a question.
Yeah, my question is that the existing, and please don't take it any criticism or any
What's the question, Susanna?
thing. So, and our question is that how sure are you that by teaching specific words, a person can have a vocabulary which will allow them to communicate and express themselves and write SMS and read newspaper? How much is the vocabulary which is right now covered, which is allowing a person who actually to have a functional English? That's my question. Out of the videos, what has been developed?
How much vocabulary? We are only teaching words which they already know, and we're teaching them how to write. We're teaching them how to write Abba, Amma, Puppi, Chacha, Khala.
Last night that you don't teach people how to write, only how to read. So
Yes.
now my question,
How to write through SMS on mobile phone, yes. They know how to say Abba.
right? So then how is this vocabulary in English, whatever is built in there, how many words is that? Because they say in order to have a kitchen language of English, you need to learn 500 words.
We're not teaching them English. We're teaching them Roman Urdu.
Okay, well, what are the English videos are teaching? They are teaching English words.
They're teaching English characters, not words.
They are alligator and
And
all
we're
the
changing
other
that, all that. I mean, that's what I was trying to explain to
apple
them.
and all that.
Yeah, no more A for apple.
So then, where are the new videos? We have the old videos which are teaching, which are not cool.
I'm telling the strategy, what will happen. My videos which are there already do A for apple. They don't do A for apple, they do A for Abba. They do D for Dawood. They don't say D for David.
But what about the celebrity people? What are
Same.
they teaching?
We will do the same.
So they will redo or what is happened?
Yes, I've already asked him to redo the videos. Because my version, I think, then when you, for example, coming from academic, you want it to work right now. I want it to work version 10. I want to fail 9 times to reach number 10 when it will start
Okay,
working.
well, then people won't listen to you. That's not what.
But they are listening to me.
Maybe.
You need to listen so that they can listen.
Okay, so my point is that there are many ways of learning English, and we know that in order to learn English, it's functional English now, instant immersion, so all household things needs to be learned. And there is a certain basket of words which a person needs to learn in order to have
We
a
are
sort
not
of
teaching
functioning.
English, Sulana. We are not teaching
Or
English.
Urdu or whatever it is.
They already know Urdu. They already speak it in their home. They don't know how to write it. They cannot send this like you. They cannot send SMS with a word say "aap kaise hain." They don't know how to write it because they don't know how "a" sounds like or what is the character of "a" sound is.
So are there any things which will show them up Kasina looks like written down in Roman like this?
Yeah, something like that.
Because from alligator, a person won't figure out how to say up Kasina.
So as I said, and you were not following it, that we will redo the videos, the future videos, the version 2, version 3, version 4 will be focused on A for aap rather than A for apple or A for alligator. We don't want A for alligator anymore from now on. And whatever I am saying will probably change at number 3, will change again at number 4, whatever again at number 5, number 6, number 7. I think by the time I have made all these mistakes is when I will know how it will work.
So Zakia told me that she can teach anybody in 10 days with the teaching style she is teaching Urdu and write and read. So why not then engage people who are actually dealing with things, they have skills, so we don't have to go through that. We can actually collaborate like what we are so highly about and use people's skills for that.
Okay, Zakia Shoaib here.
No, she's not.
Has Zakia Shoaib ever taught in her entire life anybody with a video in 10 days? Without interacting with a human being?
Have you?
No, that's why I'm not aiming for teaching. I'm aiming for trying to figure out how to do that.
Okay, so because she said she has been teaching that via videos, no, via person, yes. But this is not a conversation or a debate. This is just bringing ideas to the table, how to make it better,
When you
faster.
bring Zakia Shoaib or somebody like that who has taught in 10 days, we have not unwelcomed anyone. We are willing to learn from them and make videos with them. Right now, we're trying to see where we want to go, and that's what we're discussing.
I think there are as much as, I don't know, I think an education expert on that sense, because the tools what they have for certain things should be actually welcomed on board, so less money is spent on trying and more focused work and faster end result can be produced. This is just my personal.
Thank you for your input, and you can introduce those people to us. I will be more than happy to talk. Any other comment? Do you have any comment?
So I've been editing one of those people who have been making those videos Danishman lady. She doesn't seem to be focused what she wants to teach.
So what?
Sir, I mean, अगर आप बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे हैं basic alphabets या basic.
So how does she know that she is not focused?
So that's what I'm saying. That we
How
need to
does
do that
she
again.
know? Yes, that's what I am trying to tell you the same thing.
I've told
Muhammad Ali
Sharia.
Sheikhi has never taught in his life. Anwar Iqbal has never taught in his life. Rehan Lawal has never taught in his life. Bajia has never taught in her life for video. She has taught physically. She repeats everything. You will sit with her, you will sit with any teacher, they will repeat everything over and over because they're used to it. They don't understand how to teach through video. The reason, can I finish now? The reason we're making this video is there are two ways. We can either sit with Danishman and teach her how to teach, or we can make the videos, edit them, show it to her, dude, this is what we did wrong. And version 1 goes out, so that everybody out there gives their input also to us. It's crowdsourced learning. It's not normal learning. I don't want to focus on people who have taught in schools. I want people like Zakia Shoaib who have actually been in the ground, who know what they're doing in the ground. There is a different it's a different approach altogether. Okay, I don't want to use the same approach because I am not an MET and I will not be an MET, Master of Education. Okay? I don't want to be that Emmet. Why? Because they're thinking in that same box. ये box है उनका. They're not going to think here. She's not able to think here. Because all her life she has spent with books. She is within that book. And she's right in her own way. She's not wrong. And since I have not been in that book sector, I feel liberated because I don't think in that box. And what's her name? Danishman? Danishman has taught for 40 years. He's an educationist, PhD. And she's still not doing a good job. Why? Because she has never taught on video.
Because she was not told before doing what.
She was told. I told her that who is the audience. But it's difficult to comprehend. And when you see yourself on the screen, it's totally different. So she needs to be seen on the screen before she can actually do that. Yes, Suzanne.
In order for a teacher to learn to teach on videos, it took me 4 months. In 4 months, that includes writing scripts, that you learn time frame, you learn what is 1 minute,
You
what
have
is
to be
2 minutes.
personalized.
And once you write scripts, you record the scripts, you time the script, and then you start all over again. 4 months. That's the time which needs to be put in. So if anybody is willing to learn that, that's all what it is needs to be done. That's all. And then you will be able to do it, and it's an automatic thinking. Every educator can do it. You were taught to do it. It's just a new way of practice. That's it.
Who was that message for?
Is how to create people who are boxed up so-called educationists to turn them into video teachers.
Who was that right now? Who do you want to tell that? What you just told?
Well, you just said there is a person somebody Danishman or something who is unable to, and people who come out from schools, they are unable to. So my answer was to that, is they can, they just have to go through a little learning and training, that's all.
And when did I say they cannot learn?
We never said about, I just offered the solution right away, that this is what it takes.
Okay, thank you.
So in their normal life, they take about 30 minutes. A period is around 30 minutes to explain a lecture, right? But our video is about 30 seconds or 1 minute or 2 minutes. So they need to know that what's the format they should follow, how they should teach, what precise words they should use. They should have a written script either in their mind or on paper. So I think that's something that is lacking from the video that I have been editing on the video. So
Do you want to do that project?
I want to direct that project. I want to be the person who tells them that this is how you should do it.
Okay. How many videos have you made so far?
So like in my whole academic, so maybe above 100.
And in practical life?
Not as a professional. I have been doing work as a freelancer, as a professional freelancer. I have made many short films, many short dramas, movies, and different stuff. But not as a professional on commercial level, but on freelance level.
Can you send me those links? I've asked you before. I'd like to see what you have done.
So I have it, everything on the DVD.
I saw the put it uploaded.
But the YouTube is blocked and it's really hard to access it.
सुबह से शाम तक ये लोग डालते हैं क्या
Loading slow.
स्लो ही होती है पॉसिबल नहीं है रोल से आउट ऑफ 100 5 तो रोल हो ही जाती है करो
So what I was offering, if there is anybody who you have, I'd be more than happy to train them. They can learn it in 1 hour. And they just have to.
So can I go on proceed with what I was trying to tell them and you stop interrupting? Mohsin, do you follow this?
Yes, sir.
जो भी टीचर आएगा आई डोंट थिंक कि वो पहली दफ़ा में बना सकेगा, दूसरी दफ़ा में भी शायद नहीं बना सकेगा। वो देखेगा, बाजार में रखेंगे, 5 आदमी को देंगे, 5 आदमी फीडबैक देंगे, उसकी बेसिस पे हमें दोबारा बनाना पड़ेगा एंड इट्स अ नॉर्म एंड आउट ऑफ दैट जो लर्निंग आएगी उसी से हम उसको प्रोसीड कर सकते हैं। अगेन गोल हमारा मिस नहीं होना चाहिए। जितनी दफ़ा हम रिलीज़ करेंगे वर्जन नया, आप अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए बोल सकते हैं जी वॉच द वर्जन 2, टेल अस व्हाट यू थिंक ऑफ दैट। And the more it goes out, everybody wants something new. Version 2 चाहिए, version 3 चाहिए, iPhone S2 चाहिए, Java S3 चाहिए. You know, we are used to that idea. Follow that idea. Use that idea. दिस इज इट। आई थिंक बहुत देर हो जाएगी आप लोगों को। आप जो लोग जाना चाहें चले जाए। आई वांट टू टेल यू कि किस तरह से वो लास्ट टाइम बताया था कितने लोग चाहिए, किस तरह से उसको एक्सपैंड करना है स्कूल के लिए।
Total cyclist तो सर there was a news के after 9 o'clock it will be
क्या चीज़?
मोटरसाइकिलिंग पे तो वो आज हाँ
चले जाए
वो
साथ